So to get us started is actually from Gmail. And the reason why I say Gmail is where we start is because in Gmail, everybody knows Gmail, right? We have a personal Gmail account, we have a work Gmail account, and often we use Gmail, that is our main thing that we use. But within Gmail, what you'll notice, and I'm going to go into a demo and show this to you, but what you'll notice is there's this little waffle that is hiding in the top right-hand corner. Now, when you click on that waffle, it's like this little magic path that just goes, and it leads to this wonderful world of opportunities. So there really is a reason that with the blurb of the session, we said that it's like a magic button that just opens up all these things, because it really does. When you click on that waffle, you get access to things like Google Sites, you get access to Google Classroom, to Google Docs, and we're going to show you how to maximize that during the session today. So let's have a look at what that entails. Okay, so here we go. I have a browser, and this is just a Google Chrome browser. We always recommend that you use Google Chrome because you can customize it to suit your needs. And I'm going to go into that in a little bit more detail just now. But from the top right-hand corner, as you launch Google Chrome, you'll see that here is a waffle. Now, we call it a waffle just because it looks like a waffle, and who doesn't love some food terminology to get you feeling like you've got the munchies? So here we click on the waffle, and now you'll see what happens is it gives you a whole list of different tools to access. So for example, you have the first one, which is really important to know about, and that is your account. When you click on your account, this is going to take you to an area where you can go and look at your privacy and personalization. You can go and look at the personal information for your account. You can go and look at your security. If you want to know, like, do I have any security risks that I need to be worried about? You can access all of that from here. So first little bit in the waffle that you really should know about. But if we just have a look in the top right-hand corner, you'll notice that that waffle is actually going to follow you around within your Google journey. So as I click on my waffle again, you'll notice that I can go straight to Gmail. As you click on Gmail, it's going to launch a mailbox. Now this is my training mailbox. So I see Alonka says the waffle, the samosa, breadcrumbs, I love it. So you'll notice that we use a lot of food terms here at Opennetworks. So we've got the waffle, and just to give you a little bit more of context, I'm going to zoom in over here, right up to the top. This is the waffle, and next to it, you'll see this little drop-down arrow. I might refer to it during the session as the samosa. The samosa is a drop-down arrow. It gives you more options. You'll also notice this over here. This is another icon that we need to recognize. But today, we're just focusing on this waffle. As you click on it again, you'll notice that we've got Gmail, Google Sites. Now, Google Sites, I'm going to show you Google Sites towards the end of the session and show you what lovely things you can do and create. And these are all available to you, not just in your work account, but also in your personal Gmail account. We have Google Slides for wonderful presentation creations. We've got Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Google Classroom. If you are busy trying to create some courses for maybe for your company to work through or for a school, then you'll notice that Google Classroom is the ability to do it, is where you do it. Then as I scroll down, I'll do a little bit of hovering to make sure that you can see where my cursor is. So this is Google Chat. Google Chat is like our WhatsApp within the Google space, where we chat to each other internally. We can communicate. You can pop a quick little video call within a chat. You'll notice that we've got Google Groups, you've got Google Maps, you've got Google Photos. You've got a lot of different things that you can just access through that waffle. Now, the wonderful thing about using Google is you can't break it. So when you are clicking on this waffle, don't be scared to just go and try something. For example, if I scroll down here and I'm like, what is Google Photos all about? Or what is Google Translate all about? Just click on it and open it up and see what it does. There's really absolutely no harm in doing that. You really cannot break Google.